Welcome back. Today I would like to share you 10 more amazing jailbreak tweaks for your iPhone running on iOS 14. Now let's move on to the first one. It is a tweak called Dash app. It is basically allow you to replace the camera button from your lock screen and you can replace with the other app. Now I can just replace with Instagram. So if I go into my lock screen, now if I hold on the camera button, you can see it just jump into Instagram right away. Next one, it is a tweak called Among Us, and if you have played a game called Among Us, you may have already familiar with this one. Now if I go into my lock screen, and you can see we have animated wallpaper for Among Us. Now if I go into my passcode screen, you can see if I type the passcode wrong, it is going to tell you that you are not the owner, and you can see here. So it is very good animation. This one is a tweak for folder where you can replace the background on your folder. You can replace into an image, or you can replace with the color for your background. Now I have already selected the color for my background. Now if I go into my folder, so you can see we have the light blue background right here. Or if you want to select with an image, you can just simply go ahead and go to this one and then hit on an image button, and then you can enable a custom wallpaper here by click on edit, and it is going to pick the wallpaper from your camera roll. Move on to read info where you can enable like the clock, or you can add the music player into your reachability, so it gives you more option and more function. Now if I go into this one, I can select like update or weather, or I can select on media player, so depend on which one that you like. So let me go to weather here. Now let me enable reachability, and you can see we have like the weather up top. Move on to Deja Vu. With Deja Vu, it is going to enable all the way on display on your iPhone, and you can see on my iPhone XR right here we have the clock. And if you have any notifications on your iPhone, it is going to pop up here, and I can just tap to go into my lock screen. Now you can also customize more from here, where you can hide status bar, or you can hide Face ID lock. And if you don't want to hide your Face ID icon, just simply disable this button. Move on to the next one called Ubon Evolution. Don't mind me if I pronounce it incorrectly, but what it does, it's gonna give you more features, and it is similar to Control Center, where I can just double tap on the status bar on the left. This is depend on the gesture that you are selected. So because I have already selected in activator, where I can just double tap on the left status bar to enable that tweaks. So it is depend on you as well, and I have already select here. So you can see I can just double tap on the left status bar to enable it. Now I can just do it again, and you can see this option pop up where I can fast respring, or I can just respring normally, and you can go to safe mode and so on. And what amazing about this one, I can just view my battery charging circle, and you can see my iPhone XR here. I have already charged it 405 times. For the next one, it is a widget where you can use with HTML. Now let me go into my home screen. I can go to background widgets, hit on add widgets, and then you have WorldClass where you can view the WorldClass in letter. So you can add into your home screen, and you can see here it is in the background. The next one is also a widget, so let me go into my lock screen first. And this one, it is a widget called StockHome, and you can see we have like the small clock here. Next one, move on to paste and go to. So if you have already copied the text from any places on your iPhone, you can paste it directly in Safari to search, and you can just hold on the icon of Safari, and then you can just simply hit on paste and search, and it is going to search the word that you have just copied from your iPhone. For example, if you are listening to the music, and it is going to use the artwork for your home screen, control center, and including your lock screen as well. Now let me play the music real quick. Now let me exit from music. Now you can see we have the artwork on the home screen, including the control center, and even on your lock screen. And it also support on Spotify, a music app, So if you have Spotify, you can use it as well. So lastly, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and then we'll see you guys in the next one.